What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Duck. I'm here because I want to tell you how to properly use Suno. I know that you think that you've got your system in place and that you think you know what you're doing. You've got it. You've got your prompts all ready to go. They work every time. I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do, but hear me out. Um, this is not music generation software. This is a puzzle box. This is based on math. This is based on pattern recognition. Your prompts mean jack shit, frankly. Um, and I'm going to prove that to you right now. And this is easily replicated. What I'm about to show you is so easy. It's going to make Suno go insane when people start using it. So, first things first. What I have for you here, I've got a, well, I didn't even bother singing it, but I took my cloned voice on 11 Labs. I fed it the lyrics to this song, and I had it read it aloud. But you're going to want to get in a full-length vocal track, meaning vocals from the beginning of the song to the end of the song. You need to have that. You have to have that. If you don't like to sing or you like to use the synthesized voices, fuck you. Turn the video off. You're never going to achieve the sound quality that people that finish watching this will. So I'm going to play a little bit of this. You know, it's whatever.
This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. A matchstick kiss to gasoline, burning bright like a rebel scene. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Shout it loud like you just don't care. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Feel it shake the midnight air. Tires screech on a desert road. Engine growls under a heavy load. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah.
What the hell kind of music is this supposed to be? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna go to cover, and that's going to bring all my lyrics over. There they all are, and as you can see, I'm not doing anything special with the lyrics. Just verse, chorus, verse, bridge, whatever. Now, with style. What style would this be? How about 80s metal, party metal, and party rock, synth metal. No. Party rock, epic, cinematic, lead male, baritone, vocal, full choir backing. Now, that's fine, but you want to click the magic wand here, and that's going to give a lot more details for Suno to run with, make it a little bit more unique. Okay, now for moving right along, you see I've titled the song "Fuck Yeah," and when I hit to do a cover, it put the word cover here. So I'm gonna delete the word cover, because if you don't, that will muddy the sound up like you wouldn't believe. It's insane, but that is part of what it does. So now here I'm gonna move to extend. I'm gonna keep, and if it says overwrite styles, I've already got everything in place the way I want it, so I'm going to say keep current. And what's this? Next to my title of fuck yeah, they've added in the word extend, so I'm going to get rid of that because it'll fuck shit up. Now, it seems like things are in order here. I'm confident enough to go ahead and click create. And, you know, hopefully it's a good song. Can't make any promises. Won't make any promises. Refuse to. Let's see what this sounds like. So this is making our part 2. Glass. Glass, cutting deep as the moments pass. Blast. Glass, cutting deep. Clearly the second one, so we'll just go ahead and delete that one because I don't want to look at it. And we will cover that part 2. Now we'll remove the word cover. You have to remove the word cover. If you don't remove the word cover, it will fuck your song up. So remove the word cover. And we're going to cover part 2. And everything else should be the same. And we're going to click create. And we're going to fill up awkward silences by talking in awkward voices. Okay, so let's see which one of these is the winner. I have a very good ear, so I can usually tell which one is the best within a couple seconds. Let's try this one. what we're going to do now is we're going to extend from this cover version, and we're going to do something a little bit different. Over here on the right hand panel, you've got a simplified style prompt. Seeing is where our style prompt was currently a powerhouse 80s metal party rock epic, opens with dramatic synth and bold and baritone lead, blah 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 blah. It remembers that. It gets it. It doesn't need it to be repeated over and over again. In fact, doing so will make it will kind of cloud up the output, fog up its brain, so to speak. So we're going to take the simplified style from over here and just copy and then paste over here, lock that in, remove the fucking word extend if you know what's good for you. Okay, and that looks pretty good, and we're going to extend from that point forward with that simplified style, and bam. Now we are making some real progress. I don't know if you can tell or not, but we really are. And you'll certainly be able to tell here in a moment. 2 moments. Not more than 3 moments. I don't know how long a moment is. Alright, that one came up first. I guess we'll listen to it.
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah. This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. A matchstick kiss to gasoline, burning bright like a rebel scene. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Shout it loud like you just don't care. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Feel it shake the midnight air. Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher. Oh, yeah. This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. This is how you start the fire.
I want to say it's
Yeah. This is how you start the fire. Kick the spark, let it climb higher.
I want to say that that's how I want to say that's the good one, and I'm just gonna say it. Okay, so cover this one. We already got our simplified style, we already got our lyrics. All we gotta do is remove this goddamn cover tag. Remove it. And we'll go ahead and get rid of that because we don't need it. And we're going to click create. And I'm going to show you in a minute why I delete the or why I've been deleting the unneeded tracks, the throwaway tracks. I'll show you that in just a minute. After we listen to which one of these is the most blistering metal song. I feel like it's gonna be this one just because it got a lot of red, but who knows? You can't really judge by the pictures anymore. Okay. Okay. So that's how you, that's basically how you do it. I don't know what else you want from me. Actually, I do need to tell you one more thing. So to get to that point where we were at, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And to explain why I delete this stuff. It's so I can prove a point. Now, I don't know if that was... In fact, I'm sure it wasn't the best song ever written. I'm positive. But what I can tell you is that that cost 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicks. 4 fucking clicks. 40 fucking credits. That's what it took. That's what it should always take. You're welcome.